down here at the property here in Roseville. We're about to clean out some I need to wash that truck. We need to clean out one of these ponds, get my pond right. My guy right there. Let's go check out, see what he got going. First he's gonna get the slush out, then we're gonna work on the pumps. See what it's looking like. All right, just making a video, man. I do this part as my my man Brandon over there.
Oh, you can.
You know.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get the pumps set up here.
The pump is running.
Oh, okay. What was wrong with it?
What was wrong was, you see that hose?
Let me see.
This hose right here was old and it was snapped. There's another part of it.
Oh.
So what we did is we put in a hose to here, and we're gonna run it around this way and put it right there, so it'll start coming down from right here.
Oh, okay. So it was just old and it snapped.
Yeah.
Oh,
Pretty
okay.
much the pump was shooting out water back into the pond.
Ah,
So,
okay.
yeah.
That part
You have a little fish right here, by the way.
Oh, is that right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, okay. Let that be the reason.
I'm trying to get him out.
Trying to get him up out of there. He's a little fish, huh?
He's like this big.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Maybe I'll put some fish in here too, but we get it cleaned out. It'll always increase the value of the property. Oh, okay. You got it. You got it. All right. Your guy still coming?
He just came.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he just left. He set up the hose and everything.
Oh, okay. Cool, cool.
Yeah.
Well, I see what you got going. All right. All right, brother. I'll be back in a minute. I got to check out some other stuff here.
You're good, man.
All right. Okay. Okay, let's get up out of here. Now I still got to get this water faucet. Look at this water faucet going. We all good. After about